Good morning. This today is essential. I've had to get up really early this morning. I need to be in Bristol by 9 AM. You join me in my lesser spotted or lesser seen Seat estate car because I'll be leaving this in Bristol. I can't believe I'm saying this, but Supercar Driver have arranged for me to collect a Mclaren 720S from Mclaren Bristol, or Rybrook Mclaren in Bristol. So I've been up early, got to get to Mclaren by 9, pick it up, and I've got it for 2 whole days. So I'll be leaving this there, and I'll be driving the Mclaren back home later on today. So without further ado, let's crack on to Rybrook. See you in a bit. This journey has been one of the slowest journeys ever. I've had some really good luck actually, but it just feels really slow.
Turn right, then your destination will be on the right. Your destination is on the right.
And I can't believe it. I'm so excited. I feel so lucky. Just got to find the right place now. Rybrook. Good news and there's bad news this morning. The bad news is unfortunately the 720S I was supposed to borrow is a little bit poorly, so I won't be taking that out today. However, the good news is I get this 570S Spider to take home instead. So we've had a bit of a look around the dealership, the showrooms. I'm just about to jump in and make the long drive home. So I'm going to enjoy this and I'll catch you in a bit. Cheers. I don't know whether you can hear me. This is all very new. It's all quite noisy in here because of the carbon fibre tub, but unfortunately, as I said, the 720 wasn't available. They've given me this 570S Spider and I'm still really excited. It's a really nice looking car. Colour's gorgeous, sun's shining. I've had the roof down. I've always had to put it up so you can hear me better, but I'm just enjoying the drive home now. I'm just so excited. I can't work the sat nav. I can't program my phone in. I'm too excited. I'm going to enjoy this journey back home, settle down a little bit, and sort of have a bit of a drive around at home and see if I can get used to the car a bit better. And hopefully you'll join me back then. But thank you so much to Supercar Driver. Thank you so much to Rybrook Mclaren Bristol for letting me have this for the weekend. Today is a real bucket list day, so I couldn't be more excited, as you can tell. So I'm going to enjoy my journey home and we'll pick this back up when I get there. See you in a bit. Unfortunately, that is where the video has to end because on the way home I spoke to Adam at Supercar Driver, and between us we realised that the 570 wasn't the car that we needed to use for the magazine article. We'd already done a shoot or a number of shoots with the 570. It had to be the 720. So I turned around, I went back, I gave the car back and I drove home. Unfortunately, a failed collection attempt. But never mind, there'll be another opportunity. We've already talked about when we could potentially have the 720 again. I had a cracking time anyway. Got to see some Absolutely stunning vehicles. Had a go in a Urus and had the 2 hours with the 570. So I can't complain and still consider myself a very lucky boy. Until next time, I'll see you later.